This session will focus on creating new items or defining a new item to a subinventory. The navigation to create a new item. Today, for example, for the illustration purposes, we're going to create a master item. Today, for the illustration purposes, for creating a new item, we are going to navigate to items, master items, the organization. Now we are in the navigation, items, master items. So now a form with 16 tagged region will pop up in front of us. There will be 16 tagged regions to define the properties of the item that we are going to create. So in order to create an item, you have to at least define these mandatory fields, like the fields marked in yellow are mandatory fields, and the fields marked in white are optional, is to be added according to the specific requirement of the client. We can assign an already existing template to an item. So let's suppose we are creating a new item for this RSR organization. So now let's say RSR product 1. Now give a description for that. Item name is RSR product 1. Now a description RSR product lines. So whatever the description is, you can provide it here. To apply an existing template of an item, you have tools, copy from. You can go to tools and copy from, or either you can go there by copy from temp, or either you can go to the copy from template by the keyboard commands Alt T C. Now it will go there. Now we will apply a purchased item template to this item and we'll click done. Now the purchased item is applied. Purchased item template is applied to this item. Now we can see all the fields, the mandatory fields, option fields, everything will be filled up. Carefully examine the earlier section of the video. The inventory item, stockable, reservable and transactable were unchecked. Now after applying the purchased item template, all of these items will be checked. So as these invoicing details, account numbers have been filled up, and let's check order management section. Yes, everything picking role has been selected. Our default shipping organization has been selected according to the vision, operation, input, and everything has been selected. All we have to do is commit the changes. Now to save the changes to the newly created item, press Ctrl S. Now you can see at the bottom of the screen, transaction complete, 1 records applied and saved.